Style in the city is like making a sandwich. You start with the most important element, the shoes.
They're like the meat between the buns.
The mix of textures and colors that's wholly contingent on the extras. It's like the mustard. Or whatever. It's hard to know what you want when things can be so complex.
Can I get a quarter almond, quarter soy, quarter half and half, quarter oat, mocha latte without the cocoa?
Got it.
Thanks.
Good things come to those who wait.
Oh, is that your oat milk? Okay, then forget the oat. It'll just be a quarter of each.
Don't be afraid to be yourself. Everyone has a shtick. I only mess with the stripes. Yeah, sure, you can be serious, but you know what's more fun? Not being serious? Get a real book for the subway, and get your face out of your phone every once in a while. Oh, cool! Is that Jean Le Carré? When you're in a good place, everyone around you can sense it. It puts them in a good place. Always remember to maintain your inner calm, mother. 3, 6, 2, 1, A, F, G, B.